This video is entitled Standard Takeoff Audit Trail. The audit trail is the aqua-colored area that lies above the entry area. Its main function is to display the items that have been added to in the selected breakout. The audit trail contains a large number of components and would make an instruction video very large, therefore we have broken it down into 3 separate videos. This first video will address editing items in the audit trail, the second will describe the controls, and the third will explain the audit trail menu. The audit trail is comprised of the area from the titles in the boxes above the list to the footer at the bottom of the list. Some of the title boxes serve dual purposes and will be described in the audit trail controls video. The footer at the bottom of the list displays and updates running totals for labor man hours, labor cost, material cost, and extended price columns. This video will describe the procedure that would be used to modify an item that has already been entered into an estimate. To modify an item, use the mouse to highlight the line and then click the left mouse button twice. This procedure moves the item to be modified to the entry area that has now been configured as an item editor. I will now describe the controls that you use to edit an item. The change button. The change button will, when selected, display the search dialog that can be used to replace the item with a different item from the parts or assembly file. Click the change button. It pops open the parts assembly special lookup. Then using plain English lookup, I can go to find the component that I want to change it with, and we'll just change it for EMT 45 degree elbow. We're going to put in a 1/2 inch EMT 45 degree elbow. We click it, hold the left mouse button down and drag it into the description field. The little cursor changes to a little arrow with a piece of paper attached to it. We release the mouse button and the item is dropped into the box. The description field. The description field simply displays the description of the currently selected item. The quantity field. The quantity field is used to display and allow the user to change the quantity that has been assigned to the current item. The labor field displays the labor value assigned to the currently selected item. The material field. The material field displays the material value assigned to the currently selected item. The labor multiplier field. The labor multiplier field is used to apply a line item labor multiplier to this item. The material multiplier field is used to apply a line item material multiplier to this item. Labor level field. The labor level field allows us to change the labor level for this particular item. We can set in multipliers manually, or we can use another technique. If we wanted to use a particular value for something, we could use the alternate plus the C key to change the mode of this box, and we just add whatever value we wanted to put in there. Let's say we wanted to put 8 cents in there, 0.08 man hours, I'm sorry, 0.08, and we say enter, and we've changed it. All this did was create a multiplier over here that would allow me to have 0.08 as my labor unit. Once I'm finished, I right click my mouse and I save the value, and it is saved for me in the form. This completes the Standard Takeoff Audit Trail edit video.